To the developing story this afternoon, Molemo Jub Jub, the rap artist, now granted bail of 10,000 rand, appeared in court today, facing charges of rape, assault and attempted murder. Ziniko Mhlaba outside that court for you. Ziniko, good afternoon. What's the latest?
Good afternoon to you, Stephen. Yes, we are still outside the Johannesburg Magistrate Court, where the popular rapper, Mr. Jub Jub Maarohanye, appeared in court and eventually released on bail. He's expected to be up here, to be back here in this court in the last week of August. But I've got his legal team with me now to get a sense of how he's feeling and, of course, what's the next step for him and how they feel about this particular case leveled against his clients. Mr. Baloyi, thank you very much, sir, for your time. Talk to us about the background of how we got to where we are today in just a minute, if you can.
Look, background is the famous Maji show. That's what happened on the 1st of December 2021 when he brought to the realm the smash word. This is where now there was a reaction to the effect that today we are here because somebody decided to fabricate rape charges against my client, and this is why we're here.
I mean, it's 3 serious charges, say, from your conversation with him. Do you think he's going to plead guilty or not? Do you have a sense of what his position is on this matter?
Look, plead guilty. Why? If you feel you are raped, why do you wait somebody to recruit you and influence you to level the charges against somebody? Doesn't make sense. The number grew because somebody recruited them to say, let's go to court, let's have him arrested. Possibly let's bring him down. For what?
Okay, so the sense is not going to plead. He's going to plead not guilty to the charges. And how confident are you, as his legal representative, that you have something to stand on in regards to defending that position?
Well, look, I believe we have everything to stand on because, like I'm saying, these are fabricated charges based on some form of recruitment of one another. Basically, it's a ploy to say this guy has come out of prison, is now successful, let's bring him down. What will be the basis and what will be the merits, or what evidence will they produce? They're talking about something that happened in 2006. Where were they all along? Why do we wait for now when you see the man is rising? It's unfair. This is why I was saying that perhaps our women are given too much power to exploit the criminal justice system and bring successful men down. It's wrong.
All right. What was the last conversation between him and the complainant, and when was that, if maybe there has been any engagements between the two of them?
Look, there hasn't been any engagement. The last time was for him sending that letter of apology. That was through social media, so there was never any direct contact or engagement between the two of them.
Thank you, sir, very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
That's Mr. Baloyi, the defense lawyer of Mr. Jub Jub Maarohanye, who's just been granted bail of 10,000 here at the Johannesburg Magistrate Court. So that's the situation here. The sense we're getting from his legal team is that they do not agree with any of the charges leveled against Mr. Maarohanye. Actually believes that it's a ploy because he believes that other complainants were influenced to join into this. However, we cannot mention those complainants, but it is clear that it is not just one complainant that has leveled charges against Mr. Maarohanye. So that's the latest from here at the Johannesburg Magistrate Court. Back to you, Stephen.
Ziniko Mhlaba, thank you very much indeed. That story likely to develop, I suspect, through the day and into the evening.